Now this one looks a little bit more complicated, but if we take it one step at a time, it won't be too bad. If we look at this top here, and we're looking for something that we can factor out of that. So if we look at 2p and 6, what goes into 2p and 6 both? We see that we've got a common factor of 2. 2 goes into both of those two. So what I'm going to do is factor out a 2. So I'll rewrite this. I have a 2 on the outside. That'll leave me with a p. And then if I factor a 2 out of the 6, that leaves me with 3 on the inside. P plus 3. All over. Now, on this bottom one here, that is a quadratic expression. And what we're going to do here is try to factor this one. Okay, and when we factor, remember that as we're writing these, we're looking for two numbers that when we multiply them together equals 12, and when we add them together give us 7. Okay, so two factors that multiply together to give us 12 would be 3 and 4, and when we add together to give us 7, that would work too. So we've got 3 and 4. So when we write these, we would simply put p plus 3 times p plus 4. Now what we're looking for is something that's exactly the same on top and on bottom. And if I notice that I've got a p plus 3 here and a p plus 3 here, we can cross those off because this whole quantity here is multiplied by this quantity. And this whole quantity up top is multiplied by this too, so we're okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cross off the p plus 3 on top and bottom. And then I look and see what I've got left here. I've got a 2 left on top and a p plus 4 on bottom. So I'm going to write that. I'm just going to simplify it. That's 2 over p plus 4. And that would actually be my answer on this particular one, 2 over p plus 4.